Hi, Crestview sixth graders. This is Mrs. Gronwald again, looking a little different today with my glasses. I wanted to make a video to show you how to access your learning plans that I send to you on Fridays with those learning opportunities that we are expecting you to use at home to keep working on those skills that we've already covered at school, as well as how to access Zoom meetings. We have many of you that we have heard from you in other places and maybe have talked to you on the phone, but would really love to see you at some of our Zoom meetings. So this is what the learning plan looks like once you do get it in your email. The first page has a little calendar with lots of links on it to different things for band or orchestra, our class meetings on Zoom, as well as art and PE. Okay, so those are some things there. And then every week at the bottom, this reminders and links will also change for you, whether it's a video on how to use Canvas, like a quick refresher, a reminder to zip your Chromebook case when you're not using it, and then just some of the types of things that we have also been putting out on Canvas, Mr. Decker and myself, that you could also be working on. The rest of this document has those blue links that you can click on. So like here, working on finding theme in a text, you are given a little video that you can watch about finding the order of events in a story, then practice summarizing what that story is about that you're going to be reading, and then you can practice summarizing a nonfiction text using this summarizing nonfiction anchor chart. So any of those blue links at the top read the directions to you, and then these other blue links send you to videos or documents that you can use to complete the work. And as usual, down at the bottom, there is contact information for all of your sixth grade teachers. So you will be sent this on Fridays in your email. So when you have gone into your Gmail, should look something like this. Yours will say, not me, I'm sending an email to myself. Yours will say that it's from Mrs. Gronwald, Crystal Gronwald, and it'll say something like this: hello, next week's learning plan. So when you click on it, often I will give you a message in the body, but then there will also be this document at the bottom attached. When you click on it, you'll see the learning plan that I just showed you. Okay, so the biggest thing that I wanted to show you is if you want to join my Zoom meeting on Tuesday, 6A, or you want to join Mr. Decker's on Wednesday, 6B, what you can do is right here where it says 6A class meeting, that gives you the Zoom link that you can click on to join us. And then there is a password in case you're prompted for it here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the 6A class meeting link. And it should take you right to the website here for Zoom. If you've already joined me on Zoom, you already have probably downloaded or used the app, so you don't need to worry about that. If nothing pops up, there might automatically be a window that pops up. If not, down here it says if nothing prompts from browser, click here to launch the meeting or download and run Zoom. You can go ahead and do download and run Zoom. It might download an app to you. There also is an option down here if that's not working for some reason and it's not letting you download. You can also download or run the app from your browser, meaning it will use the internet. It should do the same thing. So once it did that, it popped up a little window down here at the bottom. And it's just installing right now on my computer. Then once it's done, it should pop your name up right now. And mine is saying it's failing to start video because I'm using my video elsewhere. But it will use the webcam in your Chromebook. And then you would want to go ahead and click on Join with Computer Audio. That will let it use your speakers and microphone. So then when you click there, and then it should pop you into a waiting room. Right now it says, of course, I'm using my computer audio because again, I'm recording this video. But then you'll just kind of see this screen right here. You might be able to see yourself instead of seeing your name. And most of the meetings that we have set up have a waiting room. So you would have to wait to see everyone else in the meeting until Mr. Decker or myself or another teacher has okayed you to be in the room. So if you have any questions on how to join Zoom, hopefully this clarified a few of them. But again, we'd love to see as many of you as possible in our Zoom meetings. So I'm going to go ahead and end this myself. Back out of here. I did download this, by the way. I sent it to you as a PDF. So that way, in case you're checking it somewhere where you do not maybe have access to your Google Drive, you should still be able to see it and click on all the other links. The only other thing I wanted to show you then would be something like this, just a video on reminders about Canvas. Again, when you click on it, it should take you to a YouTube video of me. So now you're watching a video of me in a video with me. But this one just shows you some quick navigation tips of how to get through Canvas. So anything with that, again, feel free to contact me or Mr. Decker, Mrs. Daisy, we can help you out. To get out of this, you can go and click in the top left, just click this arrow that says close, and it should take you back to your email. Okay, if you ever have a question on this from me or any other teachers, you could feel free to hit this back arrow right here. That means reply. When you do that, now you can type me a message. I would love to hear from you. Or if you want to write a message to another teacher, an email to another teacher, you can always click on compose, this plus sign right here. When you do that, if you want to write to Mr. Decker, you can just start typing in Decker, click on his name, maybe put a subject in there, hi from Crystal, tell him who you are, and then you can type your message below. When you're done, hit send. So I hope this helped clarify a few things as far as email and Zoom. We would love to see and hear from even more of you. See you soon.